Good morning, sweet.
Good morning, Tim.
Are you ready to go?
We're going to Cambodia today.
Leaving today.
Leaving today.
Heading to the airport in a few. We're gonna go breakfast, then we'll head to the airport.
Gonna be exciting. We're leaving Malaysia. We were here for 6 nights.
Yep.
We'll do a wrap up at the airport of how much we spent in Malaysia. But I think we only spent 1 night hotel when we stayed at the Hyatt, and that was $100. So the rest of the hotel accommodations were free.
Yay, I like free.
You like free? So we'll see you at the airport. There's a Cold Stone Creamery. There's a Cold Stone Creamery. What?
20 to 21. That's okay. You want yours done too?
Yeah, I guess so. Do you have enough money?
You take credit.
We're wrapping our luggage.
Hard to carry it.
Okay. Look at this. We're gonna check this bag because I already paid for luggage on Asia Air. So we might as well check it, but since it's a backpack, we're gonna wrap it. Wow, look at him go. Oh, we're gonna do the top. And that's how you wrap luggage.
Yep.
How much was it to wrap it? $14 to wrap it, which is about $10. Yay. Amos. Just in case you need a cookie fix. Travel Club Lounge in Kuala Lumpur. Over this way. Is there food?
Okay. Yes, we can have.
Oh, there's food here.
No.
No?
Just some
Sprite?
Oh, Sprite, yeah.
Oh, Sprite?
You got Coca-Cola here. We've got here's your hot food. Okay. Curry.
I do.
Grilled fish, bread pudding,
Thanks.
steamed rice. I don't know what that is. Stir-fried rice, something. Vegetable curry puff.
Oh, it's very strong smells.
Roasted herbs.
So much food.
Yeah, that's a lot of food. And ratatouille.
And ratatouille.
Yeah, there you
And silverware. Fish broth. You can get fish soup.
go. Good afternoon.
Hi, we're at the Kuala Lumpur airport waiting for our flight to Cambodia.
Yes, we are.
Let's do a quick wrap up of how much we spent in Malaysia. So, what did we spend all our money on?
Okay, activities was the most at $611.65.
Those were all of our tours, including the Petronas Towers, the Cameron Highlands, the Fireflies, and then the Batu Caves. So all 4 tours are included in there. So that's actually pretty good because most of them were private tours. And then what else?
Flights were $220.
$220, that's just taxes and fees from the Maldives to get here.
General was $106.
The general included things like getting our luggage wrapped. We bought t-shirts at Kuala Lumpur airport. We bought some soda, just some things like that. Just the odds and ends we bought here and there.
Let's see, accommodations were $94.
The first night we were here, we stayed at the Hyatt just to get that branded, and it was $94.
Restaurants were $64.
$64 because we bought food the first night, room service, and then we bought a few things while we were out, and like Krispy Kreme and stuff like that I put in there as well.
Let's see, laundry was $9.
$9 for laundry. Important.
And then Uber was $57.
$57 for that's because we traveled to and from the city, and we also had when we went down to the market, we spent some money there.
Locally, we travel a bit. Yep.
So what's the total?
I don't know what the total is.
Look at the other one I sent you though.
Okay.
There it is. How much did we spend in Malaysia?
$1,162.82.
And that was for 6 nights, including accommodations. So $1,100.
Yep.
So I don't think that's bad. Most of us spent on activities
Okay.
because we really wanted to spend some time seeing the culture and such.
Yeah.
So that's our Malaysia wrap up. We spent that much money.
Mm-hmm.
Glad we saved the money on the hotels and the flights.
Yeah.
So we could spend it on the activities.
Yeah. Well, thanks a lot. We'll talk to
see
you
you
later.
in Cambodia.
Bye-bye.
We have landed in Cambodia
Yes, we have.
and we found our driver. And it took us forever to find our luggage because it was all wrapped up.
Yeah.
And it was slow. Look, this is the arrival hall. He's bringing the car up. This is our room at the Park Hyatt on the 3rd floor. Nice artwork. Oh, it's big. Oh, this is very nice. Look at this. I have a nice seating area.
got a big seating area. That's
Oh, look, I got some stuff. That's nice. Wow.
I hope you both like the room.
That's very nice.
And also all the amenities that we built here for you.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's
And one more thing about the Wi-Fi access.
Okay.
While you're inside the room, you just connect at Hyatt room with no password.
yeah, we are already connected. Look at this. Toilet. Shower. Ooh. Bathtub. Nice big room. I like it. And this is what it looks like outside our room. That's our room number, 332. I've never seen anything like that. Let's go look at the pool.
Watch your step.
Are there more steps?
Yep.
This is the indoor pool.
Okay.
Indoor, outdoor.
Yeah, from there.
That's really pretty. I could lay right there. I thought so too.
Did I miss something? Go wrong? I'm gonna work.
Look, there's the pool. I guess you go over the bridge.
Maybe there's one below it.
That's really pretty.
Oh, yeah, I guess there is one below.
Yeah.
Watch your step.
We're looking at the gym and the spa.
Hello.
Hello.
Where's the gym?
The gym is this way.
Well, let's see what it is. Here we go.
They have a cable machine.
Cable machine. And they got some free weights. And they got a bench.
They have a bench. Tim will be happy. We can lay on these hanging things later on. Well, these is where you eat.
It's a bag where you eat. Yeah, I know. It's a whole.
Wow.
That's different.
Well, if it's a lap pool, I would think it'd be pretty long.
Well, there you go. A lap pool.
You can swim laps
Yeah.
all the way down
I
there.
guess you could. I don't know. You could probably just lounge in it too a little bit, wouldn't you? We just got 2 meals at KFC. And it cost us $15.
$15 at KFC, and his finger looking good in Cambodia,
Siem
right
Reap.
across the street from our hotel.
What are you looking at?
All the food that's out here.
Oh.
We'll probably eat out here one night.
What is that? That was early evidence.
Look at all the options you have.
You do have a lot of options.
We do have a lot of options to eat food out here. Still early. Look. this reminds me of New Orleans.
Oh, New Orleans.
I don't know why.
Well, the lights and stuff. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. Look how cool this place is. We're not even to Pub Street yet. It's a Western one. I don't think I can see the prices on this one. I can't see the prices. Do you see them?
Okay. Like that, they're not even on there. They're not on there.
That's fine. Are they up there?
No, they're just F numbers. In other words, they want you to
Pizza.
figure it out later.
Maybe here?
Yes. Yeah, $4.75 for that. Pasta, okay, pasta $7.50. Salads. Don't stir fry.
We probably have to go this way.
Maybe. Thank you. It's okay. She's just looking.
Grilled
Yep.
chicken.
Fish. Yep. There's $11 for not much.
How much the pizzas?
$8.
$8 for pizza. Thank you.
Actually, great.
There's Pub Street and Pub Street.
Okay, let's go straight first.
Straight first?
Yeah, the rest of the show.
Look at all those lights.
Then we'll go down with these guys are partying. I'll just see if I see anything That's good.
Wow.
We know the party's gonna be there.
Brick oven pizzas.
Okay, massages are $6, $5. Well, $6, $8.
Pretty dresses. Look at all this stuff. Wow. Going to the
Some people
Riverside Night Market. Oh, in the night market.
Yeah, why not? Riverside.
The Riverside Night. Oh, I wonder if it's on a river. Oh, that's exciting. I know. Just because it said Riverside doesn't mean it's on a river, though.
Look at this. Never mind.
Hello. I don't want to speak. Riverside Night Market. Look at this place. Wow. I'm gonna go across this fun bridge. Look how colorful this bridge is. Wash my step.
Well, I tried. I'll get it fixed tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow's daytime's probably better. Look at this place.
Well, hello, we're on Pub Street in Cambodia. How do you feel?
I'm eating ice cream. I don't know why it reminds me of New Orleans, but it does. Carnival. Las Vegas. You're concerned? There's a Starbucks here. So you can feel like you're at home. The Park Hyatt, centrally located, with Pub Street right down there. Exciting.
Yay.
Yay.
Okay, good evening, Sandy.
Hi, Tim.
How was your day?
Good. We made it to Cambodia. This is our
Yes, we
fourth country.
Yep.
So we already talked about how much we spent in Malaysia. We did a wrap up of all of our expenses there. But how much did we spend today?
Today, we had KFC just a little while ago for dinner, and for 2 meals, it was $15.55. The Uber was $33 to get here from the airport. We wrapped the luggage, and that cost us $10.63. To the airport was $15.95.
Less expensive to get to Kuala Lumpur airport than it was to get to Siem Reap. About the same distance though too.
And then flights were $187.
I paid for the flights here because it was more expensive to pay with points. Plus you had to have a layover if you paid with points. So I just booked a direct flight on Air Asia for $187.
And that's all other than normal expenses.
So a total of $262 today in expenses.
Okay.
So awesome. So that was our day 15. Wow, I can't believe it's been 15 days already.
Yeah, already.
Cambodia is fabulous so far.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful, and this room's really nice too.
Yeah, we're staying at the Park Hyatt. It's really nice.
Yeah.
We went out to Pub Street tonight and walked around. It's really a neat place. I'm anxious to see more in the light.
Yep.
We'll see you tomorrow on day 16.
Bye-bye.